Hello YouTube, the Sucky Gamer here with another Minecraft tutorial. Today I will be going over how to install mods into Minecraft so you can get things working the first time and every time. As some of you know, I will no longer be using Tekkit or equivalent exchange, so this tutorial is more to help those on my server who are not used to installing mods manually, but hopefully it also benefits some of you other Minecraftians out there. The reason for no longer using Tekkit is merely so that I can use other mods I am wanting to try out without the hassle of trying to make them compatible with a preset compilation of mods. Also, it just allows me to keep the mods more up to date than I would with Tekkit. Equivalent Exchange is being taken out because I am just not satisfied with how the end game plays with the combination of Equivalent Exchange, Industrial Craft, and Buildcraft. I think it is just too powerful and it's too easy. It's more like playing in creative mode at the end game. Please note that this is merely an opinion, and I'm not trying to tell you that I think all of you are stupid for using it. Equivalent Exchange is still an excellent mod, and I do plan on revisiting it in the future, but please do not expect any Equivalent Exchange tutorials from me anytime soon. Sorry. With all of that mess out of the way, let's begin. First, what I do when installing mods for Minecraft is I make a folder on my desktop merely for my benefit so I know where everything is in a nice, concise place. Second, inside of that folder, I will make other folders, 5 other folders to be exact. The first folder I will call Modloader. That will hold the Modloader mod that is important for every single mod created for Minecraft. Next, I will make Forge. That will hold Minecraft Forge, obviously. The third folder I'll make is Code Chicken. This is to store NEI, Cod Chicken. No, we don't want Cod Chicken. We definitely want Code Chicken. This is to store NEI, not enough items. The thing that you see on the side of my screen that tells me the recipes and everything. The fourth folder we will make is Optifine. And the fifth folder we will make is going to be called mods. This is where all the extra mods like Industrial Craft and Buildcraft and all that handy dandy stuff are going to be stored. Please note that Optifine, obviously, and Code Chicken are both optional mods. You do not need those. And if you don't want them, merely don't follow my suggestions on this tutorial when I get to that point. So first, we will open our web browser. And I am already on the Minecraft Forge webpage. All these links can be found in the info. I'm probably going to link it directly to my main site. That way the info is not absolutely filled with billions and billions of links. But we're right here on the Minecraft Forge website. It's easy enough. We merely want to go here, down to Downloads, Direct. We want the recommended version, Client. Now, an AdFly link will not pop up because they're not using AdFly for Minecraft Forge. And we'll just open this. We will take all of these files and we will drag them over. Piece of cake, as you can see. And complete. Next, we will get Modloader. If you've already downloaded all of these, feel free to skip this part. This is merely, some of these pages are a little bit complicated with their descriptions and FAQs and stuff like that. This is for those of you who can't find the download links. So on this page, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and Modloader 125 is right here. We're going to go ahead and get the direct download. I do recommend you click the AdFly link to give the mod loaders, the mod creators, a little bit of extra money. But for this sake of this video and speed, we'll go ahead and click on the regular link. We'll obviously extract this into the mod loader folder. There you go, folks. That is pure genius. Absolutely excellent. Now we're going to go ahead and go to Code Chicken's page, I believe is next. Yes, NEI. So here we are on Code Chicken's page. This page is a little bit more complicated, and we're going to do this a little bit backwards. In order to get NEI configured correctly, we are going to want to download NEI first and then code chicken core second. So we go ahead and expand the spoiler tag for not enough items. We're going to go down to install instructions and downloads. And we're going to go all the way down. Not enough items right here. The client is right there. This is going to open up an add fly link. And we're going to wait a few seconds. And boom. Skip that ad. Since we've already viewed it, of course. And there it is. Not enough items is downloading. Excellent, excellent. Now we're going to scroll down again. Now that we have not enough items already downloading, we're going to go to Code Chicken Core. And this one's a little easier to find. You just open the spoiler tag, and it's right here at the top, client. Click on that. We have another add fly link. While the add fly link is going, we will extract not enough items first. This is very important. This order is extremely important. We're extracting not enough items first. Boom. And then by then, this should be skipped. We're downloading Code Chicken Core second. And we will extract this to the same folder. You will get a thing like this. You will do this for all conflicts. Make sure that is checked. And copy and replace. Do this for all items. You want to hit yes. And Code Chicken is ready to go. NEI is ready to go. So we've done 3 out of the 5. We're going to go ahead and go to Optifine next. And Optifine is a little bit more complicated. This is the standard version right here. This is the version that should work for every person out there, no matter what. There's more specialized versions, say multi-core processors and smooth and other things. Those are more experimental versions. If you want a version that works no matter what, use the standard version. If you're willing to try out the other versions, give them a shot. They are all good depending on what you need. So go ahead and click on the download link there. And you know what's going on. You know what's downloading. So we're going to go ahead and bring that over from the other screen. And that could not connect to AdFly, but you get the gist. So we have Optifine, Modloader, Forge, and Code Chicken. Now these are the only mods that will be installed inside of the Minecraft jar itself. All of the other mods, Industrial Craft, Buildcraft, all that good stuff is installed right here inside this mods folder. So I have already downloaded all of these mods. So we're gonna we're going to just copy and paste all these suckers over here. These are all the mods we're using on the Stucky server currently. And I will go over those later. At the end of the tutorial, I will go to each specific website and show you where the download link is on that website. But for those of you who don't care, those of you who just want to know how to install mods, we're going to go ahead and go down here. And we're going to want search programs and files. We're going to want to do this. That's a %, app data, %, and that will bring you to your app data and .minecraft. Now this is your actual Minecraft folder. Now this is important because installing a lot of mods is very complicated for Minecraft to handle. So you want to be sure that you get as fresh of a Minecraft install as you possibly can. What I like to do is I like to just highlight all of this and delete it all. Now you might want to save certain files, like your saves file. This is where all of the worlds load. Servers.dat, I believe that's where the server list is stored if you don't want to lose your list of servers. But, you know, I want to start fresh. I want to just get rid of all this. We're deleting it all. A lot of people will tell you to just start the Minecraft launcher and update, force an update through, let's start my Minecraft launcher. Force an update through here. Now that's all well and good, but if you've previously installed mods, you might have some resources left over from previous mods that will conflict if you're trying to install a ton of new mods. So this deleting your Minecraft folder is the only way to make sure you get a 100% complete fresh install. So we're going to go ahead and log in. We're going to download these packages. You can see it's populating over here. And here we are, a fresh Minecraft install for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and exit out of that. We're going to refresh this to make sure everything's up to date. And we're going to go into the bin folder here. Inside the bin folder, you will have your Minecraft.jar. I always recommend you copy it and paste it. And I always like to Minecraft.jar.125.back. That way I know what version it is and that it's a backup of the jar file. And we're going to go ahead and open the jar file in a program called WinRAR. A lot of people like to use 7-zip. I like to use WinRAR. And I will provide a link directly to WinRAR if you don't have it in my info, of course. Now, the order of this is not terribly important, but I do recommend you follow my order just to make sure it works. We're going to start with Modloader. Now, this is the folder you saw me make on my desktop earlier. And we're going to go ahead and open up Modloader here. We are going to drag everything directly into the jar file. We're going to do the same with Code Chicken. Oh, not Code Chicken, I'm sorry. Forge is next. After Modloader is Forge. Please excuse the incorrect order there. After Forge is then Code Chicken. Ba-boom. And after Code Chicken, we will be doing the final one, Optifine. Now that all of these are over, we're going to do a test just to make sure Minecraft works. So we're going to open up Minecraft, log in. And you know what? I made a severe error. And I make this error all the time. And I even made a mental note to myself to tell you all to do this, and I didn't. This is the most important step, and I messed it up. You want to delete the meta INF. This file ruins everything, and I spent hours trying to figure out what's wrong with my installs, and it's always the meta INF file you want to delete out of there. And now that that's gone, we're going to go ahead and start Minecraft. This is why I don't cut these out, so you can see my mistakes. You can see exactly what's wrong with everything. And now everything works. You can see a bunch of new folders are populating over here, which is good because we want the mods folder right here. We double click on that mods folder. We go over to mods right here. We're going to go ahead and copy and paste all of the mods that I plan on using over into the mods folder. And then we will start Minecraft again. It couldn't be any more simple than that. We log in. Bim, bam, boom. We've got a working Minecraft folder. We've got more folders populating over here. You see buildcraft, config. We've got red power. We will create a new world. And this will take a little bit since I'm streaming at an uber high quality resolution, just because I was streaming my desktop. And we're here in the Minecraft world. We'll make sure NEI works. We'll just use one of the new items. Let's use centrifuge. There we go. Centrifuge extractor. 64 of those bad boys. We'll chunk one of those down. And then we'll toss a solar panel. One of the high voltage solar panels. That way we'll test 2 mods at once, and bam, and that'll explode. Oh, will it? Oh, boom, there it goes. That'll explode, and all of the mods are working correctly. So if you were just here to see how to install mods into Minecraft, there you go. That's how you do it. Now, one thing you will notice, if you were used to installing mods before 1.25 came out, I did not install Modloader MP into Minecraft. Modloader MP is no longer needed. Uh, they have rewritten that mod into Forge in order to make things easier on the end user and for various other reasons that fall outside the scope of this video. So when you go to let's see if I can find a mod real quick that uses Modloader MP. I believe honestly I can't remember which one of these uses it, but usually there are two versions of a mod. Um, this isn't it, but you want to make sure you get the version for Forge. You do not want the Modloader MP version. At the time I made this video, I'm not sure if Modloader MP is actually compatible with Forge or if you have to pick and choose. Once I figure that out, I'll toss up an annotation. You should see it on the corner of your screen somewhere right now if I found out. Is it there? Is it there? If not, I haven't found out yet. I'm sorry. But you always want to get the Forge version. If the mod is not compatible with Forge, if it's only for Modloader MP, um, the only thing you can really do is ask the mod author to make it Forge compatible, and that's up to them. Don't bug them too much. They need to make the mod how they want to do it. Don't bother them too much. But just ask them, hey, can you make this Forge compatible? And chances are they're already working on it, because Forge is a truly, truly awesome thing. Like I said, if that's all you were looking for, how to install mods into Minecraft, there you have it. That's how you do it. The rest of this video will be just showing you where the download links are on the various pages. So if you're leaving now, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out my Twitch TV channel at twitch.tv/Talutha. I do Minecraft Mondays every Monday, 3 o'clock Central Time. Tune in. We'll have a lot of fun. Maybe you probably will hate your life if you check it out, but do it anyways, and we'll see if you enjoy it or not. For those of you sticking around for the other mods and their download locations, here we go. So Optifine was the last thing we did. We're going to go to Industrial Craft. Like I said, these links are all located in the website in my info. Industrial Craft will scroll down. How to download the mod itself? Right here. The download is right here. And you merely drag that into your mods folder, Industrial Craft 2. So you scroll down a little bit. Boom. How to install the mod itself and download. Easy enough. Next up is IC2 Compact Solars. This mod installs the high voltage solar arrays. You'll scroll down all the way down to the bottom. IC125, or Minecraft 125, IC195 client right here. In any of these mods, you always want to download the client version of the mod. That is the most important part. After Compact Solars, we have Advanced Machines. Advanced Machines is also down at the bottom. Version 4.0. Either one of these will work. And I believe it comes with both the client and the server. And the bucket. You'll always want the client only. If they come up with options like this, always the client only. We are not using bucket on the server currently. We'll go down to Buildcraft. Buildcraft is right here. Easy enough. You'll want to download all of these. All of these are very important. You'll need every single one of those. As usual, ignore server. Buildcraft additional pipes. This installs the teleporting pipes and other goodies. We'll scroll down here. You'll want the version for Buildcraft 2214. 315 is single player only. You'll always want everything for Buildcraft 2214. And there it is, the client link right there. We will go down to Buildcraft Industrial Craft crossover. This just allows you to use Buildcraft and IC Power interchangeably. And it's right here near the top of the page. 128 client. Awesome. Red Power 2. Easy enough. You'll want all of these. Same with Buildcraft right here at the top of the page. All of these client files you will want to download and install into the mods folder. Railcraft takes us directly to the wiki, and you will need to scroll down a little bit, and right here, Railcraft Client 520. After Railcraft, we have Forestry. Forestry is right here. You'll want it for, this is backwards than the other one. The first one is for 315 of Buildcraft. You'll want, of course, a 2214 of Forestry, and right here. Right on the client link. Boom. After forestry, we're going to do nether ores / mine factory reloaded. These are on the same page. Nether ores right here. Mine factory reloaded right above it. And for these, they'll come with the servers and everything all in the same file. You'll, of course, want the non-bucket version and the client version. And then minions. You will need the minions mod. The minions mod is a little bit different of an install. We're going to go ahead and do that right now. We're going to download the minions mod right here. We're going to wait for the AdFly link. And downloading minions. And I downloaded the wrong one. You want to download this one. I'm sorry. There's 2 mistakes I've made in this video. You want to download this one for Forge 3.x. This is what I was saying earlier. This one is for Modloader MP. We're not using Modloader. You want to use the Forge version. So we're gonna click on that sucker. And yeah. Please wait. Skip that ad. Download. And like I said, this one's a bit different. We're going to actually extract this mod directly. We're going to go to client. It even says right here, put content into .minecraft folder. So we're going to do this. I'm in the .minecraft folder right now. Bin, build, craft, config, mods. We're going to drag this directly over. Yes. Yes. And that will install that. And folks, that is all of the mods we're using on the server right now. Any annotations will obviously be on the website under updates. And that should be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informative. Like I said, Minecraft on my Twitch channel live, where you can ask me questions live at any time. Every single Monday, Minecraft Mondays at 3 o'clock Central Time. I hope you enjoyed the video again. I definitely enjoyed making it for you. And look forward to more tutorials from me, because my break from Minecraft is officially over. I am back, YouTube, and you can look forward to more excellent videos from yours truly. As always, stay sucky, gamers.